Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to switch account in Mobile Legends. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To switch your account in Mobile Legends, first open the game. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. From here, tap on the Account section. Make sure your current account is linked to a login method. Moonton is highly recommended for secure access. After linking, tap on Switch Account. You'll see a list of login options like Moonton, Facebook, Google Play, etc. Select the one where your other account is saved and log in using that method. Now, if for some reason you can't log in or access your old account, don't worry. Simply tap on Account Center, then choose Retrieve Account. Follow the prompts to recover your lost account easily. And that's it. You've successfully switched your account in Mobile Legends. So that's basically how you can switch account in Mobile Legends. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.